Term alimentary canal or digestive tract in vertebrates refer to an internal tube, seldom straight and often coiled, running from an anterior mouth opening in head to a posterior anal or cloacal aperture at the base of tail, designed for ingestion, digestion, and absorption of foodstuffs and ingestion of undigested waste. Major parts of an alimentary canal are oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine. Chief accessory organs associated with the alimentary canal are tongue, teeth, oral glands, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, etc. Various modifications of alimentary canal in different vertebrates include lengthening of various parts by looping or coiling, formation of diverticular enlargement, crop, cecum, stomach compartments, and development of internal force. Mouth. Mouth is the anterior opening into oral cavity and is subject to a great deal of variations. In Amphioxus, true mouth is located at the end of vestibule, perforating the membranous velum. In cyclostomes, it is a circular opening at the vortex of the buccal funnel and permanently open in the absence of jaws or other mechanisms for closing it. In gnathostomes, mouth is usually terminal, although in elasmobranchs and surgeons it is located ventrally. True fleshy and muscular lips occur only in mammals. Muscular lips and cheeks are adaptations for sucking. In fishes, amphibians, and most reptiles, mouth is surrounded by unmodified or heavily cornified skin, forming immovable lips. Oral cavity begins at the mouth and merges with pharynx without a definite line of demarcation. In gnathostomes, oral cavity is shallow, loosely organized, and roofed with dermal bones, usually with teeth. In addition to serving as a passageway for food, it is also a passageway for water and serves for aquatic respiration. In amphibians and reptiles, oral cavity is more compact and its muscular floor serves for swallowing food and also used in breathing in the absence of a diaphragm. It reaches culmination in mammals with the space called vestibule between lips and teeth and bounded laterally by muscular cheeks, thus forming an efficient sucking and chewing organ. Then let's look at some derivatives like teeth. Teeth are hard and pointed structures attached to jaw bones that aid in food getting. Two types of teeth occur in vertebrates, epidermal and true teeth. Epidermal teeth are horny projections of stratum corneum and best represented in cyclostomes. Other examples are conical projections from lips of tadpoles of some species of frogs, serrations on beaks of some turtles and birds. Then horny plates in duckbill, sirenians, and ballinhos, and egg tooth for cracking eggshell before hatching in turtles, cynodon, crocodiles, birds, and monotremes. True teeth occur in all vertebrates except echinathans, sturgeons, some toads, sirens, turtles, modern birds, etc. Teeth are polyphyodont, ectodont, and homodont in fish, amphibians, and most reptiles, but they are diphyodont, thecodont, and heterodont in mammals. Teeth are similar in structure to the placoscales of sharks, composed of a core of dentine surrounded by a crown of enamel and are believed to have evolved from bony skulls. Now let's learn some definitions. Polyphyodont. Teeth are replaced many times throughout life, sharks, reptiles. Acrodont. Teeth are attached to the top edge of the jawbone. Homodont. All teeth are similar in shape and size, such as fish. Diphyodont. Two sets of teeth in lifetime, milk teeth and permanent teeth in humans. Heterodont. Different types of teeth are present in scissor, canine, premolar, molar mammals. Thecodont. Teeth are embedded in sockets of the jawbone, crocodiles, mammals. So polyphyodont, homodont, acrodont in fish, amphibians, and most reptiles, but diphyodont, heterodont, thecodont in mammals. So in higher, more higher vertebrates. Then tongue. Tongue Cyclosome is a thick, fleshy, extensile, rasping organ on buccal floor armed with horny teeth. Primary tongue of fishes is immobile. You know that non-muscular sensory elevation on buccal floor. Parent in subtilios. Tongue of most amphibians is sticky, attached to the anterior end and open or free at the posterior end. It can be thrust out of mouth suddenly by rapid injection of lymph and capturing insect prey called definite tongue. In turtles, crocodiles, some birds are whales, and whales' tongue is immobile. In snakes, some lizards, some birds, and some mammals, it is long, highly protracted, and often used for food capture. Some lizards and snakes, it is forked at the free end and retractile into a basal sheath. In most mammals, tongue is attached to buccal floor by a ligament, the frenulum. Principal role of mammalian tongue is to help manipulation and swallowing of food. It also bears numerous microscopic taste buds. Human tongue is also of great importance in speech. Amniore's tongue is made by fusion of 4 parts: primary tongue, muscular and glandular part called tuberculum impar, and 2 lingual parts. Here are different types of tongues you can see. Oral glands, we don't need that. Pharynx esophagus, they are also small, but we will need stomach, we will read it later.